Positive customer experiences are also another important, and the reason why positive customer experiences are helpful is because they impact your business in two ways. The first way is that if a customer has a positive experience dealing with your business, the likelihood that you would start to develop a relationship with that customer is there. That person, the likelihood that that person will come back to buy from your business again is there. So that is one key benefit. The second key benefit is the likelihood that that person would about your business. The likelihood that that person would trigger word of mouth in favor of your business. They will talk to their friends, their colleagues, their neighbors about the positive experience. It could be about your product. It could be about your price. It could be about the quality of the service. It could be about the ambience. But usually, there's this general feeling of positiveness that people have when they interact with a business and they get value. They tend to talk about it. And that positive customer review can help you get follow-on customers. So this is somebody promoting your business as a third party. You didn't pay them to do it. And you cannot even remember who they are because they had a positive experience in your business and now they're talking about your business, and that is leading to more sales, leading to more customers for you. How much do you need to spend to get a positive customer experience? Not much. In fact, this is something you do in the normal course of your business, right? It doesn't cost you much to enhance your service quality. It doesn't cost you much to enhance the quality of your customer interactions. That whole thing about being pleasant, making sure that the surrounding environment is lively, is neat, that whole pleasurable experience where somebody comes out and says, it was really nice doing business with this. That's marketing, or that is also marketing. That is also marketing. So while you are serving your existing customers, you're also opening doors to new customers that you don't know will come to you, because the positive experiences that you've left your present customer with will lead to word of mouth in your favor and positive recommendations and referrals that will lead to future sales for your business, right? Another is referral incentives. So a referral simply is that you are asking somebody to refer your business to another person. So there are two ways referrals can happen in your business. They can happen automatically without you asking for it. One good example is a customer who is happy about your business and is telling their friends and family about your business, asking them to buy from you, even though you never asked this person to recommend your business. Even though you never asked for the referral, somebody is doing the referral on your behalf. The other kind of referral is one where you give incentives for people to refer people. So I'm sure you've seen it before. Uber, for example, Uber, Bolt. There's this thing about when you refer a friend to use an Uber, you, the referrer, you get a discount on your next ride. So you see what's going on. Maybe ordinarily, you are not one of those organic referrals, but now that there's an incentive, if you want to save money on your next ride, guess what? If you refer somebody to use that product or that service, you get a discount on your next purchase. So how can you use this to work in your business? Do you have customers who are loyal and returning, and you can make them an offer and say, here's this voucher, you can give it to anybody, you can give it to anybody, and when that person comes, that person will get a benefit. Maybe for those people who are buying for the first time, you might give a discount or a cashback, or you're offering a special promo that the only people that can benefit from that promo are first-time customers who were referred by existing customers. So the first-time customers will get access to that promo. Your existing customers who referred those customers may get a discount on their next sale. So it's a win-win. There's an incentive for your customer, your present customer, to refer somebody, give that voucher to somebody. There's also an incentive for that person that is being referred to come to your business and claim their special offer. So these are things that you may be able to play with. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.